Aspire versus Vectric VCarve versus ArtCAM. Let's start with Vectric Aspire. So it's a professional grade CNC software used for 2D design, 2.5D machining, and advanced 3D modeling. So it's known for its powerful modeling tools, making it a go-to for sign makers. So it's all about the pros and cons. It offers full 3D modeling and machining capabilities. It has a wide range of tools for both 2D and 3D projects. It offers excellent community support and tutorials. And it's great for professionals, woodworkers, and CNC shops. The cons is though, it is expensive compared to alternatives. Now for the Vectric V-Carb, on the other hand, is a more affordable and alternative from Vectric, focusing on 2D and 2.5D CNC projects. It doesn't have a full 3D modeling like Aspire, but it is perfect for sign making, engraving, and other detailed designs where 3D isn't necessary. So, for the pros and cons, it offers affordable and compared to Aspire it's cheaper. It's also ideal for 2D and 2.5D cutting. It offers user-friendly with an easier learning curve and even includes nesting and toolpath options for efficiency. The problem is though, it is not as powerful for complex design. And then lastly we have is ArtCAM. ArtCAM, formerly known by Autodesk, was once a popular CNC software for artistic 3D modeling and carving. It offers tools for sculpting, engraving, and jewelry design. However, Autodesk discontinued it in 2018 and it's no longer officially supported. But let's talk about the pros and cons. It offers powerful artistic and sculpting features. It is also excellent for jewelry, engraving, and detailed carvings. And it offers intuitive design environment for artistic users. The problem is though, it is hard to find with the copies today and is discontinued and is risky to rely on for professional use. So overall, if you want full 3D modeling and advanced CNC work, choose Vectric Aspire or VCarve Vectric, but don't choose ArtCAM by Autodesk because it is discontinued.